That's so nice. Yeah.
So in the gallery in here, it's lovely. And I have another solo exhibition set up for next year. And then I
Do you have a blend of exhibiting and commissions?
which I love. I love doing the personal stuff as well. It's nice.
Not at all.
Yeah.
So, like, do you do a 9 to 5?
Gorgeous song.
No, I tend to get up early and get all my stuff, my drawing work done by sort of lunchtime, by 2 o'clock say, and then and then I do all my admin bits.
I hate the admin.
Yeah,
That takes all my time, Julie. Singing is like the icing on the cake.
Instagram crap.
I hate it so much. Marketing, organising the gigs, doing all the accommodation, and
The second half.
I know.
Somebody to do it.
I tried to train up someone before, and by the time they don't, and then by the time they figured it all out, they emigrated to Australia because they were really capable and bright, so they left. Of course, I was just like, I can't do this again.
No, you just have so many hats, and you just have to keep taking them off, putting on new ones.
In fact, I should
You have to become a small business.
You've got me in the right way there. Yeah.
So,
No, you're
Do
good.
you use Enterprise Ireland or any of those people?
I suppose I always find it a little bit different when you're an artist as opposed to maybe like a craft business, because everything is a one-off, so it's just a little bit different.
Yeah.
So I would maybe
Andrew will be in, hopefully,
the Arts Council and stuff like
Unless if Sam's coming on his own in a taxi.
that.
And Andrea, yeah.
I just did it.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Okay. What's it like, the application?
It takes a while. But it's
How long did
grand.
it take you?
Maybe an hour.
Okay. Have to do it tomorrow.
Yeah, it's just have your bits scanned and ready to go.
Go for a change.
It's
Yeah.
very handy though, just
It's a lot of
Good evening, everyone. You're very welcome. Apologies for the short delay. Walter Robischap. Just in the event of an emergency, unlikely event, there is a fire exit in front of the stage on your right, and also the door you enter through at the rear of the room. If you have a phone with you, we'd appreciate it if you quickly check that it's turned off or on silent. And then would you please put your hands together and welcome your host, Mr. Fergus Cahillane.
Fáilte Rash. Welcome, everybody. Lovely cohort here and some stragglers to come, no doubt, but we're very, very, very happy to see you all. And we're going to be checking in with our wonderful special guest, Muireann Nic Amhlaoibh, later on. So big anticipatory round of applause for Muireann. She's moved to Skerries. No, she's driven all the way from Kerry, unfortunately. But thank you so much for making on Taurus more. But we will, as is become tradition, which we're so happy to keep forcing that to happen. We will welcome the pride of Drogheda. Don't be laughing. Jerry Cullen, when you're ready, take it away, sir.
You'll have me squirming next. I try one of John Shields. John Shields was a weaver in Drogheda in the 1800s. Spent from 1800 up to 1870 something there, and wrote. Self and Sean collected about 300 of his songs. So this is The Rights of Man.
Yeah.
It's a 9-verse song, but people only sing 4, which is grand. I speak in candour of a night in slumber. My mind did wander out to Athlone, to the centre station of the Irish nation, where a congregation unto me was shown. Beyond my counten upon a mountain, close to a fountain that clearly ran, I fear to tremble, I'll not dissemble, as they assembled for the rights of man. All clad in green, I thought I'd seen a unfold. This fertile country for 7 long centuries, since strong bows' entry into our land, has been put under by foes unnumbered, and robbed and plundered of the rights of man. Through the azure skies I did espy a man to fly and to descend. Straightway came down upon the ground where Erin round had her bosom friends. His dazzling mitre and cross were brighter than the stars by night or the midday sun. Believe in Grania, and proud Britannia will no more rob you of the rights of a man. The congregation or population in exultation agreed to part, shook hands like brothers and kissed each other as friendship smothered in each Irish heart. They separated, all animated and elevated at what went on. As dawn was breaking, poor Shields awaking, crying, still be true to the rights of a man.
Five more verses would have been grand, Jerry. I wonder, Gilly, what do you think of that? And do you have something? Would you grab that microphone beside you? And what would you like to do for us today?
Which way do you want to go? This way?
Jerry's collection.
She's trading a biscuit for a microphone for those who are only tuning in.
The biscuits in case somebody robs them.
Yeah, he's like a little squirrel storing them up. I'll do sort of an American kind of folk one. This is a Ralph Stanley version of a Doc Boggs song, and it's called The False-Hearted Lover Blues. So I'll try it. False hearts have been my downfall. Pretty women have been my crave. I am sure my false-hearted lover will drive me to my lonesome grave. They bite the hand, feeds them, spend the money you can save. From your heartstrings weave silk garters. They'll build a doghouse on your grave. Oh, when my earthly stay is over, sink my dead body in the sea. Just tell my false-hearted lover that the whales will watch over me. Ragged clothes are dropping from my body. The wolf howls around my door. The man who won my darling girl will feel the bite of my 44. Corn whiskey has wrecked my body. False-hearted lover on my mind. I've roamed the whole world over. Pleasure on earth I cannot find. Oh, when my earthly stay is over, sink my dead body in the sea. Just tell my false-hearted lover that the whales will watch over me. If I meet my darling girl again, I'll tell her all about my trouble. Leave her these false-hearted lover blues and leave her stranded in the shallows. A warning, you young ladies, if your love and honor you have sold, the men will have no use for you when your dark hair turns to gold. All men take this warning, both young and old. Don't try to buy a woman's love with the last dollar of your gold. Oh, when my earthly stay is over, sink my dead body in the sea. Just tell my false-hearted lover that the whales will watch over me. Oh, when my earthly stay is over, sink my dead body in the sea. Just tell my false-hearted lover that the whales will watch over me.
Gilly Cullen, gorgeous stuff. Thank you so much. Always great to put the Cullens under pressure. That's fantastic. Gorgeous stuff. We're going to pop over to Zoom now to see if Seamus has finally been let into that pub he's been standing outside of since we began the session a few years ago. Be warned, though, I'll come over to this table next. Joyce, if you would like to do a song. And then we have Connor Sweetman or his Uncle Enda, and Catherine. I'm going to hear from you as well tonight. So this bowl table here is going to be on the chopper block. No, still outside. Now I wonder. They won't let him in. Are you unmuted? Will you just check there? It says you're still muted. I'm going to mute you and unmute you again. No, not yet. Sorry, that is not seeming to work. We might just, sorry Seamus, we can't hear you. We might just ask to see if Karen will sing us a song. Oh yeah, here we go. Lovely stuff. Oh.
I'm assuming you can hear me.
Yes.
So I'm going to sing a song by Rick Kemp, which he wrote for his then wife, Maddie Pryor, to sing. And she sang it, I think she probably sang it alone, but it was on the album she recorded with June Tabor called The Silly Sisters. Somewhere along the road, someone waits for me. Beyond these present storms that blow, waiting patiently. No secrets held in an open heart, a spirit that soars over mountains. Somewhere along the road, someone waits for me. Somehow a a guiding light, always shows the way to those who lose their way by night, searching for the day, a day away from happiness. Tomorrow will bring a new sunrise. Somewhere along the road, someone waits for me. Sometime when winds are still, unexpectedly, perhaps beyond this silent hill, a voice will call to me. Raise your eyes to see my world. Raise your voice and sing out. Somewhere along the road, someone waits for me. Somewhere along the road, someone waits for me.
Thank you so much, Seamus. Gorgeous stuff. You didn't get to sing last month, but you more than made up for this month, and thank you so much for that. We're all great to see you. Karen, will you remind us where you are calling from, and then regale us with a song, if you would?
So I'm calling in from Slovenia. And yeah, this time I will do the blacksmith. Okay. A blacksmith courted me 9 months and better. He fairly won my heart, wrote me a letter with a hammer in his hand. He looked quite clever, and if I was with my love, I'd live forever. But where is my love gone, with his cheeks like roses, and his good black billy cock on, decked round with primroses? I'm afraid a scorching sun might shine and burn his beauty, and if I was with my love, I'd do my duty. Strange news is come to town, strange news is carried, strange news flies up and down, that my love is married. Oh, I wish them both my joy, though they can't hear me, and may God reward him well for the slighting of me. Don't you remember when that I'd marry you. It was only for to try you. So bring your witness, love, and I'll not deny you. A witness have I none, save God Almighty, and may He reward you well for the slighting of me. Her lips grew pale and wan, it made her poor heart to tremble, to think she loved a one, and he proved deceitful. A blacksmith courted me 9 months and better. He fairly won my heart, wrote me a letter. With his hammer in his hand, he looked so clever. And if I was with my love, I'd live forever.
Lovely. Big appreciation in the room, all the way over to Slovenia to you, Karen. Thank you so much. And we can't not think of Nellie Weldon, who would always sing that song at Goleen, either that or Factory Girl, or one of Liam's songs. So, of course, we will touch upon the awful time for the legends of the singing tradition that seemed to almost kick off in a funny way. Poor Nellie Weldon, and then, of course, Dolores, and now Moya. So we will certainly be thinking, yes, indeed, a good friend to the session and to the centre. We'll be thinking of Moya tonight. I'd love to visit across the room to Joyce. Would you sing us a song?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So there used to be a programme now for something completely different. So this song is based on a true life event. It's something that is quite a modern phenomenon and situation to find ourselves in. And some of you may already have experienced it or may experience it in the future. So I'll just get into it. Oh no, I gasp, in the cafe on my own. I forgot my phone. Oh, I forgot my phone. Other people hear me and they stare. I forgot my phone, I declare. How'll I cope? I feel like such a dope. I forgot my phone. Some turn away with pity and others with glee. They have their own phones for company. A young girl leans across, aware of my distress, holds my hand with a gentle press. I know how you feel, just prepare to steal yourself for an hour or so. It happened to me once before. Whoa, I forgot my phone. Woe is me, I forgot my phone. What to do? I moan and groan. Whoa, I forgot my phone. Oh no, I thought I need cash, then recalled my emergency stash. €40 for coffee, eggs on sourdough, not enough for bacon or a second coffee though. And as for avocado, as for hollandaise, oh, the trials and tribulations of modern ways. So what to do? I sit forward and hunch, when drinking my coffee and eating my lunch. Stare out the window at the ceiling or the floor, or smell the coffee, never done that before. Whoa, I forgot my phone. Woe is me, I forgot my phone. What to do? I moan and groan. Whoa, I forgot my phone. Who'd have thought without my phone all my senses would be honed? See, hear, think, touch and feel. Bum on seat, shoes on my feet. The ring of the bell on the door. Pictures on the wall never noticed before. Could look at my waiter when I ordered my food. Not look at my phone, oh so rude. Or maybe notice the elephant in the room, staring down its trunk at us in gloom. Oh, I forgot my phone. Woe is me, I forgot my phone. What to do, I moan and groan. Whoa, I forgot my phone. So I'm not gonna live my life without my phone. But every now and then it's okay to leave it at home. And if I do forget to bring it with me, yes, I'll remember to smell the coffee. Or maybe write a song to moan and groan of how one day I forgot my phone. Whoa, I forgot my phone. Woe is me, I forgot my phone. What to do, I moan and groan. Oh, I forgot my phone.
Connor Sweetman, what have you forgotten lately?
I was racking my brain for traditional songs that might relate to new inventions or lost property.
You forgot your stick. What is that?
Oh, your stick, yeah. I sang that last time.
Cold hair, beer, hair machine.
That could have been written by John Lennon or someone.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Great. Okay. All right, I'll sing another John Shields song. The Bellewstown races are on Saturday. So this is a song he wrote probably in the 1840s about the Bellewstown racetrack. If respite you'd borrow from turmoil or sorrow, I'll tell you the secret of how it is done. 'Tis found in the statement of all the excitement that Bellewstown knows when the races are on. Make one of a party whose spirits are hearty. Grab a seat on a trap that's safe not to spill. In its well, pack a hamper, we're off for a scamper. Hurrah for the glories of Bellewstown Hill. In the tents play the pipers, the fiddlers and fifers, those rollicking lilts such as Ireland best knows. And while Paddy is prancing, his colleen is dancing, demure with her eyes, quite intent on his toes. Fair play to you, Mikey, you're looking so sprightly, pounding the boards like a pea from a quill. Oh, 'twould cure a rheumatic, he'd jump up ecstatic at Tatterjack Welch upon Bellewstown Hill. 'Tis there neath the haycocks, all splendid like paycocks, in chattering groups that the quality dines. Cross-sitting cross-legged like tailors, the gentlemen dailers are sipping and supping on brandy and wine. And the gentry from Navan and Cavan are having, neath the shade of a tree, an Arcadian quadrille. All you read in the pages of pastoral ages tell of no scene like this upon Bellewstown Hill. When you arrive at the summit, the view that you come at from far distant morn to where Tara ascends, there's no view in our sireland, old Ireland, dear Ireland, to which nature more exquisitely loveliness lends. And the ground neath her feet bears the memory sweet of patriots' deeds, oh, we remember them still. 98's volunteers did soon see their peers as they marched past in review of Bellewstown Hill. But hark, there's a shout now, the horses are out now, along the ropes by the stand, such a hullabaloo. To old Crock of Father, the people that dot the broad plateau around are all in for a view. Come, Ned, my fine fellow, let's bet on the yellow. Success to the green, we'll follow him still. Through uplands and hollows, they're skimming like swallows as they flash past the post at Bellewstown Hill. There we go.
Connor.
Oh, brilliant.
We're flying now, so we are. We're going to cross over to this side of the room and visit our Bowell brothers, Tony and Tim Comerford. What do you have for us?
We're going to sing Biddy Mulligan.
Brilliant. Tell us where you're coming from again. Tell the room where you're coming from today.
Selbridge.
Selbridge.
All the way from Selbridge. Okay. I'm a buxom young widow, I live in a spot in Dublin, they call it the Coombe. Me shop and me stall are laid out on the street, and me palace consists of one room. I sell apples and oranges, nuts and sweet peas, bananas and sugar stick sweets. On Saturday night I sell second-hand clothes from the floor of me stall in the street. I sell fish on a Friday laid out on a board. It's the finest you'll see in the sea. But best is me herrings, me Dublin Bay herrings. I've herrings for dinner and tea. I have a son Mick, he's great on the flute. He plays in the Longford Street Band. It would do your heart good to see him march out on Sunday in Dollymount Strand. You may travel from Clare to the County Kildare, from Francis Street back to the Coombe. But where would you see a fine widow like me, Biddy Mulligan, the pride of the Coombe? Boys, Biddy Mulligan, the pride of the Coombe. On Francis Street corner for 64 years, I've stood and no one can deny that while I stood there, there's no one would dare to say black was the white of me eye. In the park on a Sunday I could quite a dash. The neighbours looked on with surprise. Oh, Aberdeen shawl shone over me head, I dazzled the sight of their eyes. You could travel from Clare to the County Kildare, from Francis Street back to the Coombe. But where would you see a fine widow like me, Biddy Mulligan, the pride of the Coombe, me boys? Biddy Mulligan, the pride of the Coombe. That's it. Thank you.
Tony and Tim, brilliant stuff. Who needs Ant and Deck anyway? That's brilliant. That's gorgeous stuff. Will we stay at that table? Anne, Ryan, lovely to see you. Not on Zoom, in the room. Off the Zoom and in the room. Lovely to see you. I'll bring that microphone right over to you and you take your time and take us away.
Actually, I was going to sing something else, but
Don't sing something.
after listening to Tim and Tony, I think I'll sing another Dublin song, Johnny Doyle, which I think should actually be called Mary Doyle. But Ye sons of Dan O'Connell's Guard, come listen to my joyous ditty. It's all about a sailor lass that lived one time in Dublin City. My song is all to demonstrate a story with a pious moral, beginning close to Carlisle Bridge and ending on the Isles of Coral. A ship set sail from George's Quay for foreign parts one summer season, and on the shore a maiden stood and cried like one bereft of reason. Oh, Johnny Doyle, my love for you is true though full of deep contrition. For what will all the neighbours say about me and my condition? The capstan turned, the sails unfurled, the vessel scudded down the Liffey. The maiden gave a piercing cry. She was a mother in a jiffy. The vessel crossed the harbour bar. It sailed away for foreign waters, to China, where they're said to be wise, yet bound the feet of their poor daughters. Now many years have passed and gone, and Mary's child is self-supporting, and Mary thinks her heart will break when that young buck goes out a-courting. Says she, I know that one fine day he'll leave me lone and melancholy. I think I'll put on sailor's clothes and scour the 7 seas for Johnny. She's listed with a pirate ship that raided on the hot equator, and with these hairy buccaneers there sailed this sweet and virtuous crater. The captain thought her name was Bill. His character was most nefarious, consorting with this heinous beast. Her situation was precarious. 'Twas on the Saragossa Sea, where rakish barks lay idly rolling, and Mary on the middle watch, the quarter-deck she was patrolling. She calmly watched the neighbouring ships, then suddenly she was exclaimant, for there upon a gilded poop stood Mr. Doyle in gorgeous raiment. She took him home to Sweet Ring's End, that gem that sparkles on the Dodder, where she sells second-hand clothes, and he does a line in oats and fodder. They're happy there in Sweet Ring's End. They'll sail no more for foreign waters. Their time is too much taken up with 5 strong sons and 5 strong daughters.
Oh. And strong singing indeed. Thank you, Anne. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. I wonder if just before we visit our very special guest, will I skip across to the Zoom just one more time? Tá Fergus Ella on Shin. There's only room for one. Fergus, you're a student of Niamh Parsons, another friend of the session. Can we hear you there? Let's see if you're unmuted.
Yeah.
Oh. Keep going there. 1, 2, 1, 2. We had a Polish sound engineer and a check. 1, 2. Check 1, 2.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, we've got you.
Hello?
Yeah, in your own time, Fergus.
I'm assuming you can hear me. One fine summer's morning as I went a-walking all down by the banks of a clear flowing stream. There I spied a fair maiden making sad lamentations, and I drew myself in ambush for to hear her sad complaint. Through the wood she marched along, made the valleys to ring, oh, while the small feathered songsters around her head they flew, saying the war 'tis all over and peace is returning, but my William's not returning from the plains of Waterloo. I approached this young maiden and said, my fond creature, well, may I make inquiry as to what's your true love's name? For I have been in battle where the loud cannons rattle, and by his description, well, I think I know the same. Willie Wiley's my love's name, he's a hero of great fame, although he's gone and left me in sorrow now 'tis true. And no man will me enjoy for my own darling boy, although he's not returning from the plains of Waterloo. If Willie Wiley's your love's name, then he's a hero of great fame. He and I have been in battle throughout many's a long campaign. Through Italy and Russia, in Germany and Prussia, he was my loyal comrade in France and in Spain. But alas, there at Lent, by the French we were surrounded, and like heroes of old, well, we did them subdue. We fought for 3 days, till at last we defeated him, that bold Napoleon Boney, on the plains of Waterloo. On the 18th of June, it'd been ending the battle, leaving many's a gallant hero in sorrow to complain. Where the drums they do beat and the loud cannons rattle, just by a Frenchman's bullet your young William he was slain. Oh, and as I drew near to the spot he lay a-bleeding, well, I scarcely had time for to bid him adieu. And as he lay dying, these words he kept repeating, fare thee well, my lovely Annie, you are far from Waterloo. When this maiden she heard all this sad declaration, her red rosy cheeks they grew pale and woeful wan. And when he heard the sound of her sad lamentation, he drew her in his arms and said, I am your loving one. Oh, see, here is the ring that between us was broken. In the midst of all danger, it reminded me of you. And now this young couple, they are reunited. No more will William battle on the plains of Waterloo.
Thanks, Fergus. Thank you, Fergus. Where are you calling in from, Fergus?
I'm calling in from Blanchardstown in Dublin.
Very good. We'll give our best to Niamh. I'm sure we'll have her back in the room soon. And well done. Thanks so much for the song, Fergus. So we're delighted now to pop across. So beyond growing up with the iconic Danú and being the voice of that, I think Roisin Reimagined is a soundtrack of our house at home at the moment. And while we don't have the Irish Chamber Orchestra here, the Seamus Ennis Centre are all here to welcome you. We're delighted to have you, Muireann, travelling all the way from Kerry. Please put your hands together for Muireann Nic Amhlaoibh, everybody.
It's an honour to be here, and thank you for having me. I suppose I'll start off with a Kerry song. Very much aware at the moment. It's been a strange couple of years, and we're losing a lot of pivotal, important people, and I kind of feel untethered by it all, you know. So we sing the songs they gave us, I suppose, and remember them that way and keep the songs going, and it's a nice way to connect with them again. And so I'll start with a song I got from Seamus Begley, who was a musical mentor to me, and an absolute scourge of my life as well. But oh, I know. I drove him around the country, and we did some great gigs together, and he shared his songs so generously. And this was one of the ones he used to do so very beautifully. It's called Bruch na Carrigaboine, and it's a real Kerry love song. Oh, is here ka shawan gan vreg gan daut ton an eir hiwn dys vanle gar gilar kaumi down no vas gobaun a bit oig she instoid vani nach raig mochri is thog she mean Slice le fall ni le gang go broch. Oh, you'll take royal dose. Oh, Barlam no severus urinus boining gamen shagastasa lubne fine igilti sivadonar garde O me shagastasa ve posta ro lehem talar nismos vaidnog ismil shipok gar tu grian na karge boini astwai ranechin khalke mastu gantu vegam be korar dahan oklet kharde idihya dagas hata vang bahas skachnin sungar dahali medvolach dagasa nach nyoin bale kyol binek dachiv nirvanta pegor edachlakes koshtin naharit galbruach karge boini. Just keep going.
Please, yeah, that was gorgeous. Thank you. Don't stop anyway.
I'm not used to singing on my own anymore. It's freaking me out.
No, it's lovely.
I'll sing a Moya song now. We'll sing. We'll sing for all of them. I sang with Moya in January at the Temple Bar Trad Fest in Christchurch Cathedral. No, St. Patrick's Cathedral. The concert was called Women of Note, and Moya was there with her daughter Aisling and son Paul, and she sang 4 or 5 songs, and she had a machine to help her, like a breathing machine, but she didn't bring it on stage, and she sang the gig, and then she was in great form, and she was like, we had a great chat and dinner together and everything, and it seems very quick the way it happened, and we'll miss her very much. And don't really sing this very often, but I know it from Moya's singing, so you might help me with it. It's a really ancient folk tale that's apparently all over Europe and originated from Scandinavia, the Cruel Sister or the Two Sisters. And this was the Clonard version. Let me see now. There were 2 sisters side by side, sing-I-dum, sing-I-day. There were 2 sisters side by side, the boys are born for me. There were 2 sisters side by side, the eldest for young Johnny cried, I'll be true unto my love if you'll be true to me. Johnny gave the youngest a gay gold ring, sing-I-dum, sing-I-day. Johnny gave the youngest a gay gold ring, the boys are born for me. Johnny gave the youngest a gay gold ring, he never bought the eldest a single thing. I'll be true unto my love if you'll be true to me. Johnny bought the youngest a beaver hat, sing-I-dum, sing-I-day. Johnny bought the youngest a beaver hat, the boys are born for me. Johnny bought the youngest a beaver hat, the eldest never thought much of that. I'll be true unto my love if you'll be true to me. As they were walking by the foamy brim, sing-I-dum, sing-I-day. As they were walking by the foamy brim, the boys are born for me. As they were walking by the foamy brim, the eldest pushed the youngest in. I'll be true unto my love if you'll be true to me. Sister, oh sister, give me thy hand, sing-I-dum, sing-I-day. Sister, oh sister, give me thy hand, the boys are born for me. Sister, oh sister, give me thy hand, and you can have Johnny and all his land. I'll be true unto my love if you'll be true to me. Sister, I'll not give you my hand, sing-I-dum, sing-I-day. Sister, I'll not give you my hand, the boys are born for me. Sister, I'll not give you my hand, and I'll have Johnny and all his land. I'll be true unto my love if you'll be true to me. So there she sank and away she swam, sing-I-dum, sing-I-day. There she sank and away she swam, the boys are born for me. So there she sank and away she swam, until she came to the miller's dam. I'll be true unto my love if you'll be true to me. The sister took away, or the miller took away her gay gold ring, sing-I-dum, sing-I-day. The miller, he took away her gay gold ring, the boys are born for me. The miller took away her gay gold ring, and then he pushed her in again. I'll be true unto my love if you'll be true to me. The miller, he was hanged on a mountain head, sing-I-dum, sing-I-day. The The miller he was hanged on a mountain head. The boys are born for me. The miller he was hanged on a mountain head. The eldest sister was boiled in lead. I'll be true unto my love if you'll be true to me. I'll be true unto my love if you'll be true to me.
One more.
Canavoinella, yeah.
We'll have a short break after
Yeah.
one more if you would be so good.
Well, I feel I'm just turning into a tribute act, but I suppose that's what traditional music is anyway, isn't it?
That song has travelled all over the world. Bob Dylan has a cover of that song.
Yeah, do you know the Wind and Rain version of it? I love that.
think so, no.
Where it turns into an instrument. So
Yes.
the body is washed ashore, and a man finds the body and makes a fiddle out of it, and then the fiddle sings of what's happened to
Yes,
it.
exactly, yeah.
The only tune that the fiddle would play
Yes.
was "Oh, the wind and the rain."
There's a harp version as well. There's a swingle singers do a version where the harp plays itself and it's her hair make the bow.
Oh, it just gives me
Yeah,
shivers.
it's amazing.
I know, I love it. Very violent, but you know. Most of my violent songs are in Irish, so people don't get quite as
And they're
upset
children's
by
songs,
them.
most of them. Yeah.
A little bit of murder, yeah, sure. Keep it interesting, like. So I'll do a Dolores song now, I suppose. And
Please.
yeah, I grew up listening to Seamus, as I said, but Dolores was a constant, not a primary source, as Seamus was, but the tapes at home from Mum and Dad. And as a little one, I used to try and copy every single inflection and note. And, not a hope, but I know loads of Laura's songs, so I'll give this a go. This is The Moorlock Shore. I think she got this from Cathal McConnell. Yeah, because apparently a lot of Ulster singers would go and visit. Yeah, and Len, and who was the other man? Joe. Yeah. And Holmes, was it Holmes?
Yeah.
Joe Holmes, yeah. So I'll try this. Through hills and dales and flowery vales that lie near the Moorlock shore, your winds that blow through Burden's grove, shall I ever see you more? Where the primrose grow and the violets blow, where the trout and salmon play, with my line and hook delight I took, for to spend my youthful days. As I marched out to see my girl, for to hear what she might say, for to see if she would take pity on me before I'd go away. She said, I'll vow an Irish lad, and he was my only joy. And since the day I saw his face, I love my soldier boy. Perhaps your soldier boy was lost while crossing the raging main, or perhaps he has gone with some other girl, you might never see him again. Well, if my soldier boy is lost, he's the one I do adore. And for 7 long years I'll wait for him here by the banks of the Moorlock shore. Farewell to Sinclair's castles grand, farewell to foggy hills, to beaded webs like bleaching silk, and bubbling rivers still. Near there I spent my childhood days, but alas, that is all o'er, for cruelty has banished me far away from the Moorlock shore. Sinead.
The air is like the foggy dew, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a little bit different.
Oh,
yeah,
gorgeous varieties, but that's such a powerful feeling. We'll have a cup of tea, the coffee here if anyone wants it, and biscuits, and a wee chat, and we'll be back with plenty of songs after the break. Thank you again, Muireann. Thank you, everybody. Rachmid can yer lesh and dulaman Gaelach oak you know me's broga there airs and dulaman Gaelach dulaman the bin the be dulaman Gaelach dulaman the fadiga dulaman the bre oh broga bracket there airs and dulaman Gaelach dog is through a share on dulaman where all dulaman the bin the be dulaman Gaelach dulaman the fadiga dulaman where oh god crucian where there's some dulaman Gaelach barred August through a share on dulaman Gaelach oh dulaman the bin the be dulaman Gaelach dulaman the fadiga dulaman Arish there dulaman the bin the be dulaman Gaelach dulaman the fadiga dulaman oh when in no shen and alle furi war vi no kerner lingaji me yo dulaman the bin the be dulaman Gaelach dulaman the fadiga dulaman oh kovayan tu money and nurse and dulaman where Fadoi mail me yes and dulaman where dulaman the bin the be dulaman Gaelach dulaman the fadiga dulaman where dulaman the bin the be dulaman Gaelach dulaman the fadiga dulaman Gaelach. Thank you so much. Now, Balcha Rash. Hopefully you were all away from that, but you're back in now. I'm going to pop over to Sean Faulkner Achara. Would you like to sing us a song?
I will, of course.
Gurvmila.
From, I suppose, from Eddie Butcher country, you know. Adieu, lovely Erin of sweet delectation, likewise to McGilligan, where I did dwell. The ship's bells are sounding for swift emigration. I must leave Gronew's heroes and daughters farewell. But how can I think for to leave this grand island, where love, peace and friendship dwells bright in each eye, where young men are merry and maids they are smiling, and sympathies low in each bosom is high. Artically I long with its glorious plantation, where the blackbirds and thrushes they enchant every tree, and my heart sometimes leaps in mild palpitations when the linnets in chorus they sing sweet harmony, where Flora's gay mantle bedecks these shady bowers, and on the green pastures the lambkins sport and play, where once in my childhood I gathered wild flowers, and with my young sports mates we chanced for to stray. On a mild summer's evening, for sweet recreation. I chance by the banks where the curly streams flow. Their young men and maidens in sweet admiration encircled the verges where the primroses grow. The small trout and salmon in mild consternation in these pleasant waters they'd sport and they'd play, but are vanished these thoughts, for my heart with vexation is filled with the thoughts of sweet Hannah McKay. Sweet were the hours in love's conversation with this pleasant fair maid to take the fresh air, for she was the object of my adoration, my joy and my comfort, my pride and my care. And oft as I walked from her father's grand dwelling, I thought by the curly for life to reside, but by degree has exiled me to some foreign nation, which leaves some new lover for to make her his bride. So 'tis farewell, Artically, where I was excited, and likewise to Newton, where the steam engines fly. If I wouldn't return, I might well be delighted with this charming fair maid to live and to die. But as I sail down Lough Foyle for Columbia's nation, I'll think on that bower where once I did stray, and I'll heave a great sigh for that grand habitation, when I think on that bonny lass, sweet Hannah McKay. Shinawell.
Sean Faulkner, thank you very much. Catherine, I wonder, would you go first, and then we'll get Colm if you want to pop the microphone just to Catherine, and then we'll get a song from you, if you don't mind.
Thanks, Fergus. Sitting here, it's very mindful of all the people who have gone before us. So this is sort of a general tribute. Oft in the stilly night, ere slumber's chains are bound me, fond memory brings the light of other days around me. the smiles, the cheers of boyhood years, the words of love then spoken, the eyes that shone now dimmed and gone, and cheerful hearts now broken. Thus in the stilly night, ere slumber's chains have bound me, sad memory brings the light of other days around me. When I remember all the friends then linked together, I've seen around me fall like leaves in wintry weather. I feel like one who stands alone, some banquet hall deserted, where lights have fled and garlands dead, and all but me departed. Thus in the stilly night, ere slumber's chains have bound me, sad memory brings the light of other days around me.
Shilling.
Good meal, thank you. Now, you grab that mic, Colin McCara.
Oops, God, it's heavier than I thought. Well, I'm sure everybody knows at least the chorus of McGillamar. Shall, sorry, shall the rouse in feiden hev, Zenishim van truck catch a thrig, my helig trower, na dungo train, the vornick sin him again. Shema Yillamar, Shema Hazer Yillamar, soon no shame, me vorus vein, o chweg again, ma Yillamar, beam shaboon, boort gach low, queeg a craig, say turn the nor, o squeal a grim, on buckle bio, is ne reeve, ter tourist huig mer vroom. Shem olech, ma Yillamar, Shem o hazer Yillamar, soon lo shem, me vorus vein, o chweg again, ma Yillamar. Ne lauren cook, go sook non, is neil go gair, gwil to kno, na madin saurig and glan to kyoig, o squeal a grim, on buckle bio. Shem olech mo Yillamar, Shem o hazer Yillamar, soon lo shem me vorus vein, o chweg again my Yillamar, Yillamar, gal fwy chwa is a galer fwy cloc of dua soon na shen ni vorus fein och weg again my mar Shem olech mo yelamar Shem o heather yelamar Soon o Shem ni vorus fein O chweg again mo yelamar Yel Zinter their board we and Shem olech mo yelamar Shem o hezer yelamar Soon la Shem ni vorus fein Och weg again mo yelamar Muile buichas
No.
I stole him go will long versi ella. I keep it down ella, yeah.
Yeah. That's what it's all about though, isn't it? Join it in together.
I only sing four.
Cormac, a quick jaunt over to Zoomland, to the Zoomers. Cormac, will you remind me call us to Anish Cormac?
Hello, how's it going? I'm in Donegal. I'm originally from Torreon, but I'm here in Manlara. I'm Donegal near Maharoti. So I'm going to, you can hear me, yeah? Yeah. I'm going to sing on board just all from Torreon. Naturally, when more just all, sorry. Naturally, when more just all, me while you saw the Again, must be Christian in car, I guess I saw a water I see you say who was born in not kill his story. God, daughter, travel her sing park, down on it a Amaleba man call, but in not call to she. The yellow garden ever was, having it free had a coon. A runny had driven past, Austin, your man had one. Banagarin agus Vanigi hen and clan. Namorigan Pobla Dog. The Hilja Banredi. Legilia Legisha Bearnes Kishuna Blanagwell. Faró, yes, when you're so Faró, yes, is very wee. And can Maris, Natali, or the visiting sweet light and tea. No more than when you're in young. Oh, for she's a way she Waking me in a log, a harsh in a focus shell. Yabbing ye gone at all. I had it blown in a glass. Is Jackadash Balda, is a giving Corlaran. Taban Mortiga Joho, Legin the Cortigan, Tulanga Henry will be see honey concord, a beachard. Dadeusi garayan, gerokturans naure. Kodahanya kuhugaro shebad, agnes faran way yesterday. Aperan balmasah, is yours in a dance cling. Oi kvante den närige dwan, ket parola graderi. Snä.
Up Donegal, up Dúnanal. Our thoughts are with you. Okay, Bernie McKenna, my dear, a store. Will our on agat live?
Sa bhunscoil na blianta hin agus dearthain go bhfuil seorólas sa gatan an seo, so is féidir lih carúlam. Ver meo, okay? Ver meo rovano, ver meo rovani, ver meo ro, ta me to me, Sami ha flock is for, hug me curtis melam fen, no granic masonite, mara ro gragal machlev. Ver meo rovano, ver meo rovani, ver meo ro, ta me vronax tu mi, Shak nirav kjol, of yorav nirav bri, no grinish tu darun, svur me ol ser the gan, ver me rovano, ver me rovani, ver me ro, ta me vrona stu mi. Sinead.
Rud Maria?
Yeah, Connie leis an Gaeilge mar sin agus déanaí mé ar an eile ó Ilan Horí ar an na Scanan.
Gorgeous.
So, so nach déanaí mé dermid ar na focail. So. Nuair a himmelí san níthe bhí mix muintiú ar na héasc, nuair a irm amach ar maidin mar imrad go dí an bhin. Bí na héine go gur pleasure arm na sí a mé na ball, is an péiste gandor jarach ar na scadan ar na drim. Bí mix muintiú ar na hangias ar an wad a mín sian, bí mix muintiú ar na ráis na mulíons na tan. Bí mix muintiú ar an arhanis ar an trein a ví sa gui,
Is gachard ar croc meisture, he's a chelum in a cian. O nach jasin run is lantra have a salshu ar mrog. Snow will set down a blug and he's minnig naid a yield. A caimage gal and connell mas mine walkanam. At a may look and canny Rome is budget doing den lun. Nur a him cushna tinna be mix winch you an am. Go Rome hain smoke her biog na see a mail na dun. Is it er me is and chiriac tuck and tadak tana tar. It cost no guis faraga maskena gana dun. Oh, and ishata me is this giri lag broach a chin. Lila me do go brad le bishop I'll go shincha me kill. Bear him out of thee and the gloria, mark her Miss Jack Mam, Craig and Larna Varega, Mascana Gana Dun. Gramaga.
Oh. Mila Maria. This has been wonderful, fun. Thank you for our Zoom singers and everything. Just before returning to our special guest, can we get one more song from the floor? David Byrne, will you take us away with a song? What will you do for us, Achara?
Well done to everybody. As Gaeilge, but I'm monolingual. I try and keep with the mood, but I'll sing a song by Mary Black, who is very much extant, still with us, although she's retiring at the moment. But I'm going to try Annicky Gordon.
And her grandnieces are in my house today getting singing lessons, so it's still the tradition is going strong.
And I was supposed to be up here for Aoife, and I missed the gig.
Yeah,
but
sure.
Anyway, we'll try this. Harking is bonny, and there lives my love. My heart lies on him, and will not remove. It will not remove up for all that I have done. And I'll die if I don't get me love. Annicky, for Annicky Gordon, he's bonny and he's rough. He'd entice any woman that ever he saw. He'd entice any woman, and so he has done me. Oh, I never will forget me love, Annicky. Down came her father, and he's standing by the door, saying, Jeannie, you're trying all the tricks of a whore. You care nothing for a man who cares so very much for thee. You must marry Lord Sutton and leave Annicky. For Annicky Gordon, he's barely but a man. And although he may be pretty, but where are his lands? Oh, Sutton's lands are broad, and his towers they run high. You must marry Lord Sutton and leave Annicky. With Annicky Gordon, I'll beg for my bread, and before I'd marry Sutton, it's gold to my head. It's gold to my head and gowns fringed to the knee. And I'll die if I don't get me love and a key. And you that are my parents to church you may me bring, but unto Lord Sutton I'll never bear a son. To a son or a daughter I'll never bow my knee. And I'll die if I don't get me love and a key. Jeanie was married, and from church she was brought home. And when she and her maidens so merry should have been, when she and her maidens all merry should have been, she went into her chambers and cried all alone. Come to bed now, Jeanie, me honey and my sweet, for to style you my mistress it would be so sweet. Be it mistress or Jeanie, it's all the same to me. But in your bed, Lord Sutton, I never will lie. And down came her father, and he spoken with renown, saying, you that are her maidens, go loosen off her gowns. But she fell down to the floor, so close down by his knee, saying, Father, look, I'm dying for me love and a key. The day Jeanie married was the day that Jeanie died, and the day that young Anarchy came home on the tide, when she and her maidens, and down came her maidens, all wringing of their hands, saying, oh, it's been so long, it's been so long on the sands, oh, so long on the sands, so long on the floods. They have married your Jeanie, and now she lies dead. You that are her maiden, come take me by the hand, and lead me to the chamber that me love she lies in. And he's kissed her cold lips till his heart had turned to stone, and he died in the chamber that his love she lies in. Thanks very much. Nearly got there.
You got there. It was amazing. That was brilliant.
Not only does she save our singers in peril from when the lyrics are falling short, we're going to return to you, my dear.
I forget them myself.
Yeah, well,
thing.
we have to return the favour, Muireann.
I think my brain is boggled from the roads. That's what I'll use as my excuse anyway. I'll do another Moya song I was thinking of on the way up here. And again, this is another very old folk tale heard all over Europe, the story of the Selkie. And every coastal area has their version of it, and of the woman who, the mermaid, she takes off her tail and she has legs underneath. And when she's sunning herself on the beach and she takes off the tail and she leaves to the side, a fisherman comes and he steals it. And he says, now you have to marry me and be my wife. And so she has no choice. She can't go back to the sea. So she goes and she marries him, and they have 2 children. And after a while, she forgets the life she used to have. And then one day she's up in the loft of the house and she's tidying and she finds this, what she thinks is a cloak. And it's the tail. And as soon as she holds it in her hands, she knows what she has to do. She has to go back. And so in this song, you hear the conversation between the children and the mother. And I always bawl when I'm singing this. But they're saying, please don't go, Mom. And she's saying, sorry. Like, I know. Cruel mother. But anyway, it's on Vaid and Faró. And Moya, you sing this beautifully. And I'll sing as many verses as I can. Sure, 4 will be enough. Is casugar bahun ugarek tun grau Tan schnacht der gefrasach favian an noch ubidates avelim so Shudruv medikeni sini ganenov avoiding ilish nut modavon for ruach achladik is favial the tro maiden varum avorinort shudruv nerikeni sini ganenov Thomas Tershach agus begala Mavor ever in ya is my fodrig bon ach bon adontas avil na tron Shudruv medikeni sini ganenov Na himige voirin is na fageren dra Mish is machrachet is the fodrig bon Trection fortunta agus bian na tron Shudruv medikeni sini ganenov Tani is a darachas tan gain rahart Tan chas rachen lasa insne spear have gehad ach von adontas favil na tron Shudruv medikeni sini
Do you remember life before 2 children?
I really don't. I don't know what I did with my time. I think there was a lot of faffing around and doing nothing, as far as I can remember.
Where's the tail?
I finished with a humorous song because God, that last one was very sad. But it has a bit of murder in it, Jerry. A happy little murder song. This is a Seamus song, a Begley song that we sing together. It's the Kerry version of Sean-nós Amhlaoibh. We call it O You're a Handine. And it's about a young girl or woman placed in an unhappy arranged marriage with a cranky, cantankerous outlaw for whom she has zero love and affection. And she is thinking of all the different ways she could do away with him in order to run off with all the young lads, not
All
just
the young
one,
lads. Very
many. So it's called O You're a Handine, and you're very welcome to join in. And Gormila Mahagav, Asangura, thank you. It's been a joy to listen to you all. Gormagad Fergus. Okay. Gorle voide sa, mohir mohar, orogade sagar, Dún Chaoin dine fosa. Ach bechamele siúdach, go me doine fóca. Skummen for the varne bracher na course, and so you're a hand in a that's a neots, so you're a hand in a luska is the word. No, you're a hand in a that's a neots, so menche melder is not bedem shibio art. No chwas go carcaig, a chiller les torif, Pipi the bog agus clórach a corin, Heir ma chachta ma vaile, go tainter seach bronach, Ga vaintje ma handen a roast and we kjole, so you're a hand in a lat and yotza, oh you're a hand in a luska is the word. No, you're a hand in a lat and yotza, so menche melder is na bedem shibio art. Da vaintje ma handen e, boite balmona, a chasse ve berichte, sech no de veljonte. Hurna vaile, sto jan e horav, sto jolo in a machlish na buacheli oge, so you're a hand in a lats and yotze, oh you're a hand in a luska is the word. No, you're a hand in a lats and yotze, sto menche melder is na bedem shibioard. Ma fosse tu Sean-nós, posse tu tleide, Fergus Cahillane, Cashiro der steide. I diene werden meiden, begge knaf scheile kleidacht. I schieße tranone, a schiment gomeidach. Oh, you're a hand in a lats and yotze, oh, you're a hand in a luska is the word. No, you're a hand in a lats and yotze, so menche melder is na bedem shibio art. The force is a Sean-nós, is sorm vidi hele, Jennison metzan chorle mogelta, Chwasse weile lesh, farern skilsan, is dairis der madin is parliament tegrim, oh you're a hand in a lats niots, oh you're a hand in a luska is the word. No, you're a hand in a lats niots, so menche melder is na bedem shibio art, oh you're a hand in a lats niots, so you're a hand in a luska is the word. No, you're a hand in a lats niots, is koepel downach a chidig van voot. Hoe.
Would you believe it? Would you believe it? Next month is our last session before we have to break for the summer. Isn't that terrible? We have Ian Lynch joining us of Lancome fame and a fantastic. Ian Lynch runs a fantastic folklore podcast as well that tracks, thinking of all the beautiful songs you sang that track them around the world. Ian Lynch's podcast does, and he's going to maybe play some uilleann pipes being in the Seamus Ennis Arts Centre as well and sing a few songs. So that'll be in May. Please do spread the word and all come back. We want to keep going. It's such a privilege, absolute privilege to be able to do these. So kind of mila mila macha and have a lovely night, Faró. Thank you so much.